Hey editor, are you tired of editing videos that look amazing but never actually perform? I know the feeling. I've spent years perfecting transitions, pacing, and color, and every time I uploaded a client project, it would stall halfway through. No retention, no growth, and no clue why. That's when I realized something most editors never do. A clean edit can still be boring. Here's what finally changed everything for me. Number 1, watch your rough cut in silence. No music, no sound effects, just raw dialogue and talking. Silence exposes every lazy beat instantly. If a moment only works because of a sound effect or crazy transition, it doesn't belong there. Number 2, choose music emotionally, not logically. Loop the same scene over and over while scrolling through tracks until you feel something. Goosebumps means yes. Head nods means keep searching. Music isn't decoration, it gives your viewer permission to feel. Number 3, front load your effort, then scale it back. Go all in for the first 60 seconds of the edit, then simplify. Viewers decide how high effort your edit feels based on the opening minute. Ease off after that and they'll still perceive it as cinematic. Once I applied those 3 shifts, retention jumped. Clients noticed, and the same edits that once earned me $200 were suddenly worth $1,000 or more. Because once you start editing for emotion instead of ego, every client interaction, rate, and result starts changing too. You don't need to burn out editing for pennies. Inside Elite Editor Academy, you'll learn the exact systems my students use to 2x and 4x their rates and turn editing into a full-time, high-income career. Y'all have a good one.